Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss the question answers of chapter 6, physical and chemical change. So let us start with it. So let me open this. Yes. So chapter 6, physical and chemical change, book exercise class 7th NCRT. First question is, classify the change involved in the following processes as physical or chemical change. So, first is a photosynthesis. So, the answer is it is a chemical change because a new substance is formed, that is the food. Second is dissolving sugar in water. It is a physical change because there is no new substance. Burning of coal, chemical change as a new substance, ash is formed. Melting of wax is a physical change. Beating aluminum to make aluminum foil is also a physical change, but it can't be reversed. And digestion of food is a chemical change because a new substance is formed. Energy is formed. Next question is cutting a law. We have to tell true and false for the following sentences. If it is false, we have to change the sentences also into true statements. So A part is, just a minute. A part is cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. So it is false. No. Cutting of log into pieces is an irreversible physical change. Second is formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. It's false. Formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change because a new substance is formed, that is the manure. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. So yes, it's true. This happens in the process of galvanization. Iron and rust are the same substance. It is completely false. Iron and rust are two different chemical substances. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. So it's true. Yes. So our next question is fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. When carbon dioxide is, just a minute. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to formation of dash. So the answer is calcium carbonate. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are painting or greasing and the galvanization method. Changes in which only physical properties of substances change are called physical changes. Changes in which a new substance is formed is a chemical change. So let me go to the next question. So the next question is, when baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of gas. What type of change it is, and we have to explain the change. The reaction between baking soda and lemon juice can be, the word equation can be lemon juice, which is citric acid, plus baking soda is equals to CO2 bubbles, sodium hydrogen carbonate, plus other substance, that is carbon dioxide. And it is a chemical change because a new substance is formed. So the next question is when a candle burns. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical change takes place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both chemical and physical change take place. So when a candle burns, both physical and chemical change takes place. Yes, it's true. Physical changes, that melting of wax can be converted into wax again. So it is a physical change. Chemical change, burning of vapors of wax to give carbon dioxide, heat and light. It's a chemical change. Another example is LPG is another example in which physical change occurs. When LPG comes out of cylinder, it is converting from liquid to gaseous state, and a chemical change occurs when the gas burns. So LPG gas is an example of both physical and chemical change. Next is, how would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? We can say that setting of curd is a chemical change because we cannot get the original substance milk back. A new substance is formed which taste, smell and other substance is a chemical change. Next is, explain why burning and cutting it into small, burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces is considered as two different types of changes. Burning of wood is a chemical change because in burning new substance, which is ash, is formed. Wood plus oxygen is equals to charcoal plus carbon dioxide plus heat plus light. But cutting into small pieces is a physical change because there is no new substances formed. There is only change of size in the wood. Next is, describe how crystals of copper sulfates are formed. So this is the activity. We have to take a cup full of water in a beaker and add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid or the common salt. Heat the water. When it starts boiling, we should add copper sulfate powder slowly and slowly. Continue to add it till no more powder can be dissolved. This is called a saturated solution. During this process, continuously stir the solution. Filter the solution, leave it for cooling. Look it after some time. You can see the crystals of copper sulfate. So it is a very long process. It takes 2 or 3 days. But yes, you will see that crystals will be formed. The color depends on the stones or you have taken, the color of the salt. Next is, we have to explain explain how painting of iron gate prevents it from rusting. It is known that for rusting, the presence of oxygen moisture is essential. Painting prevents the iron gate from getting in contact with oxygen moisture, and this prevents it from rusting. 10th question is, explain why rusting of an object is faster in coastal areas. As content of moisture in air, coastal area has more moisture than in deserts. So the process of rusting is faster. 11th question is, the gas we use in kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. In the cylinders, it exists as liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes gas. So it's change A. Then it burns, change B. The following statements pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. Process A is a chemical change. Process B is a chemical change. Both process A and B are chemical change. None of them are chemical change. So the answer is the second part, that is process B is a chemical change. Because in A, it is not a chemical change. It's a physical change. Next question is, anaerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas. This is change A. The biogas is then burnt as fuel. That is change B. The following statements pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. Process A is chemical change. Process B is a chemical change. Both process A and B are chemical change. None of them are chemical change. The third answer is the correct, because both A and B are chemical change. Thank you. A presentation by Fun with Science Class 7th. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, post your queries on arnav.science868@gmail.com. Bye. Thank you.